Hey everyone, Joel with Performance Bodies here. We got the new tire dyno here. I want to get it mounted up on the machine, so kind of just wanted to show you guys how that happens. So first thing we got to do, take this 1/4 inch bolt out of the back side here that holds the shaft on. Loosen that up. Take that shaft completely out. Don't need that when using the dyno. We'll get the dyno up here. It'll go right to the wheel studs on the hub, and then all I normally do is get a couple lug nuts, off the car, spin those on there. We'll get this thing tightened up. All right, so we get these lug nuts tightened up here. Should be good to go with that then. So we'll come over here, we'll get our tire, and we'll start to get it mounted up. First thing we got to do, make sure no air lines are connected. We'll take the safety stop off here, and we'll pull our safety pins out. Now, as you can see, there's 2 pins here. This would be standard for an 8-inch wheel modified tire style. We do have, you pull the one safety pin out. This will work with your 14-inch wide late model tires as well. For this demonstration, we're going to pull both pins. We'll pull the wheel off, throw the tire up there, reestablish the outside wheel, put our first safety pin in for the 8-inch wheel. If you're able to use both pins, that is recommended. We'll get both pins applied, reapply that safety stop, make sure you're always using all the safeties. So we're now ready to put air in the tire. Recommended use no bigger than a 3/8 airline. So we got our 3/8 airline here. When hooking up the air hose, make sure the valve is in the off position. We'll go ahead and hook the hose up. Now sometimes the tire might give you fits, it might act like it's not taking air. All you got to do is kind of apply light pressure to the handle. Make sure you're staying away from all pinch points around the safety pins in the wheel. So we'll apply light pressure here. We'll slowly open the valve. Recommended no more than 25 pounds of air in the tire. We'll go ahead and turn this up to 20 here. And then we'll go ahead and unhook the air hose again, making sure the air valve is completely off. Pop that off, and we're ready to prep the tire. So we got air in the tire now. We're ready to do all our prep work here. As you can see, tire rotates on the tire dyno just like we need it to for prep. So, measure your tire stagger. We got our 5-head tire siper here. Do all your cutting right on the tire dyno. Grinding, you can grind your tires, basically do it all. So we'll prep the tire quick, and then we'll be able to pull it back off the tire dyno. So we have our tire work all completed for this tire. Real simple. We're just going to open the valve, release all the air out. Okay. So we got all the air bled out here. We'll shut our valve again, get the tire unseated from the tire dyno. We'll pull our safety pins out, pull the safety stop off, pull the wheel off, and there you have freshly prepped tire ready to go. That tire is complete now, ready to go for another tire. If you have any questions on the tire dyno or any of its specifics, give us a call, 1-800-RACING1, or check it out online, performancebodies.com.